So let's take a look at demand. With demand, you're able to see what targeted accounts arrived on your website. The ones that haven't filled the form, that haven't signed up, that haven't communicated with you. But we just don't tell the company, which you see right here. We're actually telling you the real person. Let's take a look. Jessie at Jet Fuel Meals, we know precisely who she is. I can see each one of them, where they visited and who they are. I can also see the companies, but we show the person. This saves you time to reach to your next deal. And it also makes sure you reach them before your competitor does. The next aspect is, now I identified this prospect. What do? Well, in one click, you can sign to Sales Wrap, roll them into an automation. So for example, they can be rolled into what our personalization platform is called one-to-one personalization. So in this case, we crawl the LinkedIn data of the visitor, and I can see here my proposed strategy. Now as a sales rep, I can quickly click on the person. So I click on Louis. I say, hey network, I'm looking to connect with entrepreneurs to learn from them and exchange experiences as well. That was his latest post. So I want to build an online relation. I need to build a relation with Louis. So I just don't send him a random connection request. Noticed you recently visited our website, but also you are looking to connect with founders according to your post on LinkedIn. So simply reaching out to connect. See, now when Louis, he gets this connection request, I'm standing completely out. So all I have to do is to say send to prospect right here. That's how easy it is. Once you connect, he's gonna get the follow-up message. If you add a verified email on him, he will get the email playbook. So you might wonder how easy or hard is it to set up such a flow for a sales rep. And again, we show the technologies the company is using. I can hit next. This is the next person in the process. I see the data, click on them, learn about the company, personalize, hit send to prospect. I'm creating one-to-one relations and connecting with them. Now, the way it's set up is we have what we call a starting point. A starting point is how does the data go into the automation. That can be a website visitor, that can be a search on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. I'm searching with the plugin, then it has a different starting point. So that's what decided here. Manual prospects, send them to the one-to-one prospector. If you don't want to do that, you just don't add it and everything is automated. Then at this point, we simply say, if the email is verified, yes or no, what's going to happen? When we have an email, we connect. Then, of course, in this situation, we replace the connection request with something relevant. But this is just a placeholder for the campaign if we don't type anything in. Then we have a delay, in this case, of 2 hours. Send them an email. They have another delay of 4 days, where we then, after 4 days, send them LinkedIn message, and then they move through the funnel. On the no side, if we don't have a verified email, well, we repeat the same steps, just without email. That's how simple it is with Sales Hub. Another example is, if I go here, Callum Henderson, he's a sales influencer. As an example, he posted, SDRs, can you explain what you do in 10 words? If so, proof in the comments. So I would like to reach out to every person here, because there could be somebody who could use demand. So what I do is, I simply go in and say, I make a campaign, LinkedIn post commenters. I type in the URL, say start 100 people. Same process. I simply reach out and say, hey, John, notice you comment on Callum Henderson's post regarding what you do in SDR. We'll just reach out as we aligned here. I did this campaign and I had a 71% connection rate. And I had on the what is it called, the LinkedIn messages, I actually had a 34% reply rate, which was all demos booked. If you want to see the dashboard, you simply hit here. It's really that simple to use demand. So with demand, we identify the real person on your website. You can personalize your website, but most important, you can start processes with LinkedIn and email, personalize it, and build relationships for your business, taking your business to the next level. It is the most affordable way to acquire your next customer. And unfortunately, if you're doing AdWords today and online ads, only up to 10% are going to see your advertisement. So you're missing out 90% of the remaining market. And this is what we uncover in the most affordable way using demand. And of course, we are fully implemented with Microsoft Dynamics 365 sales. Marketo, Salesforce, HubSpot, Pipedrive, all of them. We have 15 native integrations, and if that's not enough, there's also an integration with Zapier. And finally, we have a unified inbox where you will see all your replies and everything. So that is what we offer here at Demand. Thank you for watching.